So now we are at the airport and we are flying to Madrid. Actually, Madrid was on my wish list for ages because actually I don't know if you know or not that I studied Spanish when I was in Iran in a university, and since then I always wanted to travel to Madrid. Actually, I don't know why. I always wanted to apply for a university in Spain, but I don't know how I ended up to do my master in UK in London. But anyway, Madrid always was my dream place, and finally I'm going there. I think I forgot Spanish a lot completely, but I'm going to practice a bit. It's good to go to the dream destination. We arrived in Madrid and now you can see how happy I am, and we are waiting for our luggage, and after that we are heading to the city. But I don't think that I can go around tonight because now it's dark and it's night, and I'm going to show you around tomorrow morning. Bruno is standing really far to get our luggage. My happy face! Exciting. Hello, now welcome to Madrid. Now we should speak Spanish. Now welcome to España. Hola el mundo. Now it's morning and we are going to explore Madrid. Today we're in Madrid not just to explore, and actually I am here for work. We are rushing from place to place and I'm trying to film as much as I can and I show you Madrid. Actually, I have a surprise for you. I'm going to visit some really unique places. Now we are in one of the main squares in Madrid, Puerto del Sol, which means gate of sun. And I don't see any sun, to be honest. You know, when we were about to leave London, the guy at the airport asked us, "Oh yeah, you're going to Spain because it's warmer." Actually, I don't think it's warmer than London right now, because when we left London it was sunny. If you follow my videos and you see that wherever I go, I think rains follow me, and I always bring rain to even sunniest places, sunniest destinations. Surprise I was talking about. This is the oldest standing restaurant according to Guinness Book, and we are going there to film it. It's like so exciting and amazing to go to the oldest restaurant in the world. And even standing next to the Ace restaurant, it feels so good. Most tourists they come to this restaurant, locals they go less, but still when you see that it's a museum, it looks like a museum and you can go and eat there. We are in the oldest restaurant, I think the oldest room of any restaurant that you can be, from 1590s. We are in a history, kinda. If you see in a map, then this restaurant, when you go underground, you could just use this tunnel down here to get out of Madrid. This is Since we're in Madrid, we are not really fan of football, but since we're in Madrid and it's so windy, we are going to Real Madrid Stadium and Club. Let's go, and this is our ticket. It's getting so cold. By the way, there always is so cold. Scary. Can you hear the wind? Woo! There is no game. Apparently when there is no game, the field is for pigeons. Without the ball. You can't come to Spain and Madrid or Barcelona or any other city and not go to flamenco show. The last time I watched the flamenco show, I was in Barcelona. I really loved it. I hope this one is good. I like the style of here. It's different from the other place I went for flamenco show. It's kind of stylish. It's like art, culture, but last time it was so cozy.
much.